was younger, I saw my daddy cry, curse at the wind. He broke his own heart and I watched as he tried to reassemble it. My mama swore she would never let herself forget. That was the day that I promised I'd never sing of love if it does not exist. Darling, you are the only exception. 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 Maybe I know somewhere deep in my soul love never lasts. We've got to find other ways to make it alone. Keep a straight face. I've always lived like this, keeping a comfortable distance. And up until now I had sworn to myself that I'm content with loneliness, because none of it was ever worth the risk. Well, you